Hey guys, Terence here. About 4 months ago, my truck started to make a tick noise on the passenger side of the engine bay. It'll start I remote start my truck a lot, so every time I remote start it, I'll hear it faintly. It was just a faint tick until the engine warmed up and you wouldn't hear it anymore. So I didn't think anything of it, but it did bother me because I was using the best oil money can buy since I bought the truck. I spend the extra money so the engine can stay running smooth and not tick. So it started to bother me. Over the last 2 months, started getting worse. A month ago, even worse. Now it just sounds terrible. And I know what the culprit is, but I'll let you guys hear first. When you spend the extra money for the expensive oil, I use Royal Purpose since the day I bought the truck. And when you spend the extra money, you expect the engine to perform, as my engine it has been performing extremely well. No issues with my engine at all. Keep that oil changed frequently with Royal Purple, and I haven't had any problems with my engine whatsoever. It runs like a sewing machine. But the tick it's gotten ridiculous. And I'll let you guys hear it. On cold start, I haven't started my truck in about 3 or 4 days. No, maybe about a week. I'll let you guys hear it now because I know the oil's just kind of sitting at the bottom. And I want you guys to hear how it sounds. It sounds awful, but I'm gonna fix it because I know what the culprit is. These trucks are, it is a common problem. I will say it's a common problem. These trucks are common for these problems, but I don't think it's my engine. I'll let you guys hear it though. I'm almost positive it's not my engine because if it is, I'll be pissed off. So let you guys hear the engine noise, and I'll fix it. While I got the wheels off, I'll change the brakes. I'll do both sides. I'm gonna change the brakes. Yeah, I want to talk about that too. I went to the local auto parts store and I bought some brakes. The expensive brakes, the Duralast Gold from the auto parts store. And now I hear my truck kind of squeaking a little bit. It's been about 25,000 miles. I'm not putting no more, I'm not going there. They can have the warranty. I'm just gonna go to the OEM parts and just put the OEM brakes. I get 25,000 miles and changing those brakes out. At least I can double that. I'm almost positive I can double that with the OEM brakes, if not triple. Because I've seen cases or instances when you were able to get triple from the OEM brake pads. So I'm putting OEM brake pads on my truck, and I'll show you guys that too. And what else I'm doing? A few more things, but let's listen to this noise. Let me know what you guys think. Let's do it. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's start my truck in a minute. You know what? I'm gonna remote start it. I'm gonna get close to the noise so you guys can hear it. Okay, here we go. You know what? I'll make it reach in there. I want to see something before I start it. This is my first time checking in here. Been kind of putting it off. So let's see something. Okay. I can't see the bolts. The hose, that aluminum cover over the manifold. Oh God. Oh, ain't no sense in me even. Well, just found out the problem. Oh wow. The manifold, the aluminum cover is loose. Wow. It's extremely loose. There's got to be a few broken studs there. Oh, that sucks. Oh well, I'll still let you guys hear the noise. Let's go to the other side and see. I hope it's not. But I'm gonna change them both. Okay. It's kind of way back there, but let's see. Nothing. All right. This one's extremely tight. But ain't no sense to just change. You know what? I'm not gonna change this. I'm not gonna change this, guys. I'm gonna show you. I had a surprise for you guys. I'm not gonna change it. I'll tell you why. Because I'm getting rid of my truck. I'm gonna trade my truck in. I really like the 2019s. I'm not quick to jump on those new trucks like that because I love my truck. My truck has been great to me. I've had no issues with my truck besides the transmission going into fourth gear, and I fixed that, as you can see in my previous videos. And that was about now 16,000 miles ago, and my truck runs amazing. No issues with this boy, but I'm gonna change it. I'm only gonna change that one side because I'm trading my. I'm getting rid. I'm most likely gonna give me a 2019, the Ram. All right, let's go. Here we go, guys. All right, listen to this ridiculous noise. Come on. There we go. You guys hear how it dissipates? My truck on the way in about a week. Still there, a little bit. On the way. Still there somewhere. It's gonna go all the way away. Because the engine's idling down, of course. That's pressure more today, stuff in the engine idling down. Yeah, this sucks. Alright guys, I'm gonna order the parts now. So I'll have that fixed up in a second. It's almost gone. The noise. Oh, that sucks.